Have you ever had that epiphany? That sudden realization that, despite years of education, no one really sat you down to teach you the ins and outs of managing your finances? Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide unveiling 20 crucial money lessons that, for many, remain untaught mysteries. The journey from a financially naive college student to a responsible adult juggling bills and savings is a daunting transition. It's a path fraught with challenges, from budgeting basics to navigating the complexities of mortgages. If you find yourself overwhelmed, you're not alone. We're here to guide you through this financial maze with practical advice that will empower you to take control of your financial destiny, ensuring you're well prepared for any financial adversities that may come your way. By the end of this video, you'll not only master these essential lessons, but also gain the confidence to make informed financial decisions independently. So let's embark on this journey together. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with invaluable tips that could transform your financial landscape. Lesson 1. The world's designed to drain your wallet. Imagine stepping into a mesmerizing shopping mall, its allure, amplified by the dazzling lights and endless aisles, beckoning you to explore. A friendly salesperson approaches, presenting an irresistible offer. This scenario perfectly encapsulates a profound observation by an economic expert. The world is ingeniously crafted to part you from your hard-earned money. Daily life bombards us with strategic advertisements and social media prompts tailored to our interests, making spending seem inevitable. To combat this, adopt a save-first mentality. Automate a portion of your paycheck into savings, ensuring your financial health takes precedence over impulsive buys. For those struggling with spending urges, consider the Houdini system. Invest your savings or place them in less accessible accounts, safeguarding them from spontaneous splurges. The lesson here is clear. The world tempts you to spend, but with discipline, you can secure your finances against its lures. Lesson 2. Tracking your financial footprints. Ever wondered where your paycheck vanishes to just days after receiving it? You're not alone. The key to demystifying this financial conundrum lies in scrutinizing your spending habits. Start with fixed expenses, those non-negotiables, like rent, utilities, and insurance. Treating your financial health as a project, regularly review and adjust your budget to align with your goals. Remember, no one will prioritize your finances for you. Taking an active role in managing your money is the first step toward empowerment. Lesson 3. Diversifying your income streams. The lament, "I'm not earning enough," is all too common. Yet the solution lies within us. The narrative of a graphic designer expanding their skill set to include web design illustrates the power of specialization in increasing income potential. Similarly, an IT specialist broadening their expertise through coding boot camps exemplifies proactive steps toward financial growth. The initiative to enhance your skills, explore side hustles, or seek promotions is yours alone. Remember, you're the CEO of your career. Steering it toward financial prosperity is your responsibility. Lesson 4. Investing in yourself. Consider the paradox of hesitating to buy a book that could enrich your knowledge while easily spending on ephemeral pleasures. Investing in yourself through education, skill development, or personal growth is paramount. This investment extends beyond formal education to include books, courses, and professional challenges. Prioritizing your development is the cornerstone of personal and financial growth, paving the way for a brighter future. Lesson 5. Preparing for the unexpected. The emergency fund. Life's unpredictability underscores the importance of an emergency fund, a financial cushion for unforeseen expenses. Whether it's a sudden car repair or medical bill, having savings ensures you can weather financial storms without derailing your goals. Think of this fund as your financial umbrella, ready to protect you against life's downpours. Cultivating this safety net is not just prudent. It's essential for maintaining peace of mind and financial stability. Lesson 6. The myth of easy money. In a world rife with get-rich-quick schemes, understanding that true financial success requires effort and diligence is crucial. The tales of Warren Buffett, emphasizing disciplined investing over shortcuts, serve as a powerful testament to the value of hard work, knowledge, and patience in building wealth. Reject the allure of easy money and embrace the principles of informed decision-making and strategic planning for genuine financial prosperity. Lesson 7. Long-term thinking in financial planning. The temptation to indulge in the moment can be strong, but true financial wisdom lies in focusing on the future. redirecting funds from immediate pleasures to long-term. Investments can significantly impact your financial trajectory. Every dollar spent today could be an opportunity for growth tomorrow. Adopting a long-term perspective ensures that your financial decisions today lay the foundation for a secure tomorrow. Lesson 8. The hidden costs of free. The allure of freebies is universal, yet the adage "nothing is free" holds true. Whether it's time, attention, or hidden expenses, the cost of seemingly free offers can be deceptive. Approaching such offers with skepticism and assessing their true value is essential for protecting your financial well-being and ensuring that your investments of time and resources yield genuine benefits. Lesson 9. Financial synergy. The power of collaboration. The concept of financial synergy, where the sum is greater than its parts, highlights the importance of strategic alliances and collaborative efforts. Whether in personal relationships or business ventures, combining resources and strengths can lead to outcomes that surpass individual efforts. Embracing synergy in your financial strategy can unlock new avenues for growth and efficiency. Lesson 10. Valuing your time. Understanding that your time is a precious commodity is fundamental to financial and personal well-being. Ensuring that your time investment aligns with your values and goals is crucial. Recognizing the importance of fair compensation for your efforts not only enhances your financial health, but also ensures a balanced and fulfilling life. Lesson 11. Income versus wealth. Understanding the difference. The distinction between income and wealth is pivotal. Wealth is not merely about the size of your paycheck, but how you manage, save, and invest your resources. The stories of individuals who, despite modest incomes, achieve greater financial security than those with higher earnings underscore the importance of strategic financial management. Focusing on asset creation and smart investments is key to building lasting wealth. Lesson 12. The joy of budgeting. Contrary to popular belief, budgeting doesn't have to be a chore. Finding joy in managing your finances allows you to live fully while maintaining financial responsibility. Embracing affordable hobbies, planning memorable experiences, and making mindful spending choices can enrich your life without compromising your financial goals. It's about striking the perfect balance between enjoying the present and securing the future. Lesson 13. Setting financial goals. The journey toward financial success is propelled by clear, achievable goals. These objectives serve as milestones motivating you to navigate through challenges and stay committed to your financial vision. Whether it's paying off debt or saving for retirement, setting and pursuing financial goals is a dynamic process that requires dedication and adaptability. Lesson 14. Understanding cost versus value. The distinction between cost and value is critical in financial decision-making. While cost refers to the monetary price of an item or service, value encompasses the satisfaction, utility, and long-term benefits derived from a purchase. Evaluating investments based on their value, rather than just their cost, can lead to more fulfilling and financially sound decisions. Lesson 15. The complex relationship between money and happiness. While the saying "money can't buy happiness" contains some truth, the reality is more nuanced. How you spend your money on experiences, personal growth, or helping others can significantly influence your happiness. Financial freedom and the ability to control one's life. Circumstances play a crucial role in overall well-being. Understanding the strategic use of money to enhance life's quality is key to unlocking its potential to contribute to happiness. Lesson 16. The essential role of insurance. Insurance is a critical component of a comprehensive financial plan, acting as a safeguard against life's uncertainties. Whether it's health, life, or property insurance, having adequate coverage provides peace of mind and financial security, allowing you to focus on recovery and resilience in the face of adversity. Lesson 17. The importance of retirement planning. Retirement planning is not just a future concern, but a present necessity. Starting early allows you to build a sufficient nest egg, ensuring you can enjoy your later years without financial worry. Exploring passive income streams and investments can provide stability and peace of mind, making retirement planning a crucial aspect of your financial strategy. Lesson 18. The art of negotiation, maximizing your financial worth. Negotiation is a powerful tool in the financial toolkit, yet it's often overlooked. Whether it's negotiating your salary, reducing your bills, or securing better deals, the ability to negotiate can significantly impact your financial health. Consider the scenario of negotiating a raise. Armed with evidence of your contributions and market research on salary. Benchmarks. You can make a compelling case for increased compensation. Similarly, negotiating lower rates on services or better terms on debt can free up resources for savings and investments. The lesson here is clear. Don't accept the first offer. Use negotiation as a strategy to enhance your financial position and ensure you're getting the best value for your efforts and resources. Lesson 19. The power of compound interest, your financial accelerator. Compound interest is often hailed as the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. It's the principle where your interest earns interest, leading to exponentially growing returns over time. This concept is crucial for savings and investments, illustrating how small, consistent contributions can grow into substantial sums. For example, starting to save and invest early in a retirement account can result in a significantly larger nest egg due to the power of compounding. Whether it's a savings account, investment fund, or retirement plan, understanding and leveraging compound interest can accelerate your path to financial freedom. The key takeaway is to start early and stay consistent, allowing time and compound interest to work in your favor. Lesson 20. Financial literacy, the foundation of informed decision-making. At the heart of all these lessons is the importance of financial literacy. Understanding the basics of budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt is fundamental to making informed financial decisions. Financial literacy empowers you to navigate the complexities of the financial world, from evaluating investment opportunities to understanding the implications of financial policies on your personal finances. It's about equipping yourself with the knowledge to question, analyze, and make choices that align with your financial goals and values. Continuous learning and staying informed about financial trends and principles can enhance your financial literacy, making it a lifelong journey of growth and empowerment. Conclusion: charting your path to financial mastery. These 20 lessons serve as a comprehensive guide to mastering your finances, offering insights into saving, investing, earning, and protecting your wealth. By embracing these principles, you can build a solid foundation for financial success, navigate life's financial challenges with confidence, and achieve your financial goals. Remember, the journey to financial mastery is ongoing, filled with opportunities for learning and growth. Stay curious, stay informed, and let these lessons inspire you to take control of your financial destiny. Share your journey and insights in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content. Together, let's embark on a path to financial enlightenment and success. Thank you for watching, and here's to your continued financial growth and prosperity.